What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Garage Boy Leak back here with another lit video. So I know I've been going for a while, but I thank you guys for your patience and still tuning in. So recently on the F10 I've been gathering all the parts I need to get ready to go back to school. So I already got the oil change done. I got some brakes, but I haven't put those on yet. I'm also planning on painting the calipers a color, and then we got the charge boost pipe downpipes that came in, and my rims came in, but there was a slight issue with the rims, so I wanted to go really aggressive and get 20 by 10 rims. So the back 20 by 10 fits perfectly and it looks amazing, but the front I'm gonna need to get new rims for the front because it's touching and the fitment isn't perfect. It all fits on the car well, but it's just a little too aggressive for the front, because you know originally the wheels are 8 by 9, well 18 by 8.5, so I went 20 by 10. That's a big jump. That's an 1.5 inch jump with the width of the rim. So yeah, but today we're just going to be doing the charge pipe because it's kind of late, as you can see, before we could get to work. But you know, we're not going to do the downpipe in this video, and we're not going to show you the rims in this video because we have to send those back. So once we get everything sent back and everything comes back clear, we show you the rims. The downpipe we're going to save for the next video, and we're going to do the boost pipe and the charge pipe in this video. So with the boost pipe and charge pipe, I just went on eBay and I got a boost pipe and the charge pipe for like $140. You know, we about to get to work today working on the F10, but without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys the parts and we're gonna get into the work. So look, right here we got the charge and the boost pipe. Boom, everything perfect, aluminum, that's good. So we're gonna put these in the F10 in this video. As you can see, the boxes for the rims, not lying, but yeah, as you can see, this is what we got for $130. Everything looks pretty good. The wells look good. Everything looks normal. Aluminum, not plastic. So it's an upgrade, guys. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Alright, what's up YouTube? We back here with the next day. And I said that we wasn't going to do the downpipe in this video, but the downpipe and the boost pipe are so close to each other, it would make no sense to do all of this and then do it again another day. So just going to knock it out both at one time. So, damn, my fingerprints are all over it. But what I want to show you guys is this RVG downpipe. We got it for about $315. You know, not a bad price. We're going to tell you how the install goes, and we're going to give you a sound of the car after we install it. But yeah, let's get back to work on putting on, changing the boost pipe. We almost got it off. While I'm doing that, my pops is taking off the catalytic converter. But yeah, we'll update y'all and tell you how everything is going. And just like that, the man himself got it out. Yeah, he's a little sweaty right now and shit, but got it out. Got to switch over the O2 sensors and then put the new one back in the car. Still didn't get the boost pipe out yet. I think it might be more accessible now because the back, my hand can't really reach back there. It's hard to reach, so I'm gonna try and go into the car right now, take that off. So yeah, so far so good. Alright, so as you can see, we got the downpipe in. Still working on the boost pipe though. Oof. You see right here, it's giving me a little problem to finagle it in there. I got the bottom portion on. I didn't clip it in yet, just because I want to be able to move it into the correct position. So we realized the car is too high. So once Pop's finished buttoning out the bottom, I'm gonna continue working on the boost pipe. But yeah, once we get everything done, I'll show you guys, give you guys a first start, and then probably like tomorrow we'll go outside and give y'all a first cold start so you can hear how everything sounds. Yeah, we'll get back to you. Alright y'all, we got everything buttoned up. Now it's time for the very first start with the downpipes on. Yeah. Still getting some things buttoned up, but here we go.
Why is this shit wet?
Y'all ready? got everything done, did it the right way. Everything sound better. It's a difference. My dad is a hater because he's like, I don't see no difference. All of that for no difference. Cap. There's definitely a difference. I heard it just now. But yeah, like I said, Garage Gang, I appreciate y'all for tuning in and staying real, staying loyal. Love you guys forever. My next video coming out will be about something that's very important. Very important. Find out on the next episode. Yeah, find out on the next episode.